Good evening to everybody. Welcome to the AP last set as well as the TS last set 2021 and the AP last set exam may be the October 22nd and the TS last set 2021 exam may be the on 23rd and 24th. But for people there will be 3 YDCs on the 23rd itself. Yeah, now let me give you some mental ability of mine and code for the precious metal gold dash and silver XAG, palladium XPD, and platinum XPT are formed by the prefixing the elements chemical symbol with the letter X. So what is the dash here? The gold XGD, XAU, XGL, XGO. I want to get it from the participants. The answer. Yes, participants. Did you understand the question first? Let me know it. Did you understand the question? Participants, say yes or no.
We have to identify the code of gold.
I'm asking the participant, they are they are not, they are just keeping quiet. I want to ask the code, what code can be used over there for the gold among the 4 choices. 1 XGD, 2 XAU, 3 XGL, 4 XGO. Participants, only participant, only Jamarur Rahman is there. The other people are no. Jamarur Rahman, can you make it out? Jamalur Rahman, you can say pass on. No
Sir,
worries.
your voice is coming very low, sir.
Yes,
Your voice is not coming, sir.
but I could hear your voice very well. Is any problem?
He says your voice is low.
Whether are you getting my voice?
Yes, sir, now getting.
Mhm. So now tell me that which one is the right answer for that 1, 2, 3, 4. You can say anyone, doesn't matter. I can give the right answer.
It is 2, sir, option 2, XAU.
Then option 2 is the right answer. The reason is here I have given you the chemical symbol for the gold is aram. Ara. That is the spelling is
Yes.
ara. The M is silent.
AU,
And silver.
Aram.
Yes,
His
silver is
Latin name.
Argentinum, and the palladium is PD, and this platinum is PT, and gold is a chemical element of the symbol AU, that is the Latin aram. The atomic number is 79, and make it one of the higher atomic number element that occur naturally in pairs in a pure form. It is a bright, slightly reddish yellow, dense, soft, and malleable and ductile metal. Malleable means you can stretch into the sheets. Ductile means you can stretch into the wires or strings. Yes, find the odd man out. Argentina, Chile, Colombia, Croatia. Yes. Anyone?
Is Croatia.
Hmm?
Croatia, because Argentina, Chile, Colombia, all these are Latin American countries. Whereas
Yes,
Croatia
you
is
are right in one way,
Croatia
in
is
another way.
European country.
But actually, my idea is Argentina currency is peso. That is code is ARS, and Chilean peso also peso, PESO, CLP that is the code. Colombian peso, that is the COP, but the Croatian is Croatian kuna, that is the HRK. So the Croatian currency is different from the peso. That is my answer. Yes, find out the odd man out. See here, Kenya, Tanzania, Uganda, Zambia. Yes, here 5. This is 5. Any idea? Among the 4, which is the odd man
Zambia.
out?
Zambia.
Why? Again, the kings. Kenya
Because
is
they are all
Kenyan
neighboring
shilling.
countries.
Tanzania, Tanzania shilling. Uganda shillings. But Zambia is kwacha. That is the difference between it. Yes, how many
Nice.
countries use the currency shilling with their country name first and later shillings. See, now I already made it very much clear. There are total 4 countries are there. What are they? Kenya, Tanzania, Uganda, and is there only that country? Still some more are there. They also use the shillings. So the answer is 4 countries there in the world, they use the shillings. What are they? Kenya shillings, that is the KES, Tanzania shillings, TZS, that is the IS code, that is the currency code. Uganda shilling, UGX, and Somali shilling, SOS, Somali. So the 4 countries use the shillings. Yes. How many countries use their country name first, later dinar, and subsequently ISO code? For instance, Kuwait. Kuwait currency is dinar. ISO code is KWD. You need not worry about the IS code. But how many countries use the dinar? Anyone? Of course, Kuwait dinar is there, Saudi dinar is there. Of course, the country name is added over there, but subsequently in the prefix, in the suffix, there is a dinar. So, how many countries are there which will dinar will be taken into consideration? So, in the world, they can say only the 8 countries are there where we can say dinar. Those countries are here. I am giving Libyan dinar, Serbian dinar, Tunisian dinar, Algerian dinar, Bahraini dinar, Iraqi dinar, Jordanian dinar, Kuwaiti dinar. Among the dinar are the currency which is a strong currency in the world. Anyone? Strong currency when you compare with the India.
Kuwait dinar.
It is a Kuwaiti dinar is a costly. It is, I believe it now it is a 134, 140 something. Once upon a time it is 123 is there. Okay. How many countries? Rial is used for the country name later as suffix. Rial. Sir, we know it's a Rial. Which one? Saudi Arabia, sir. Okay. Only one. Is it Rial, Saudi Arabia? Yes, only 2 countries are there. One is Saudi Arabia, we say Rial, and we can also say Qatar. Qatar also we can say Rial. And the ISO code number is Qatar is QAR and Saudi Rial is SAR. And how many countries in the world having dirham in their country currency? Dirham. In the world, dirham. Again, it's only 2 countries are there. Number 1, Morocco, that is the Moroccan dirham, and the United Arab Emirates, that is also dirham, AED. And how many countries use the name rupee with their country name first and rupee as a suffix? Yes, anyone? 5, 6, 7, 8. Rupee, RUPEE. Sir, we know, sir, Pakistan. Yes, Pakistan rupee. Yes. Sir, we know, sir, Nepal. Okay, Nepal rupee. Next. If you see that there are 6 countries are there where the rupee can be used. One is Indian rupee, INR, Mauritian rupee, MUR, Nepalese rupee, NPR, Pakistani rupee, PKR, Seychelles rupee, Seychelles. It is SCR, Sri Lanka rupee, it is the LKR. Total how many are there? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. Yes. Copper is cuprum, iron is ferrum, and gold is, just now I told you already. Yes. Participants. Sir, we don't know, sir. Are you hearing my voice? Say yes or no. Are you hearing
Sir.
my voice?
Yes, sir.
Gold is Aram.
Quite.
Gold is Aram.
It is Aram. I already told you, no. Cuprum is Cu, iron is ferrum, and gold is Ara. M is silent. Ara. And silver is Argentina. That is the word there. And find the odd man out. Gold, silver, iron, copper. Sir, what is the odd man out, sir, here? Gold, silver, iron, copper. We know iron is odd man out there. But why? Sir, other things we can use as a jewelry.
Iron.
But
Iron does not mix with
Jewelry.
any of them.
Yes.
Iron does not mix with any of them.
Okay, that is one of the reason. And iron people and the women will not use as jewelry, is it or not?
Yes, yes.
But my point of view is different here. See, my point of view is iron is 26, silver is 47, gold is 97, copper is 29. If you see the descending order, then iron should come down and copper should come 3. So this is the one way. But anyway, if such a thing would be given, even though the answer is right, but nobody will see your how you got the logic. The iron is a chemical element with a symbol Fe, that is the ferrum, and atomic number is 26. Iron is it is we known as F capital and E small and 26. Of course, there I give the argentinum, there is the silver and other gold, and I give the aram, then the copper, cuprum. These are the explanation over there. So this is the regarding the my mental ability is concerned. Now I will switch her to the second host, and she is ready for the quotation. And today is the last day for the quotations. Today is the last day for the quotations. Yes, it's 101. That is yes. Now she will take the charge of it. Now you can use this one. Yes, hurry up. Hurry up.
Good evening, everybody. Quotation 1. Lovers, lunatics, and poets are made of same stuff. 1 said by Buddha, and 2 Vivekananda, and 3 Chandrasekhar Azad, and 4 is Bhagat Singh.
Lovers, lunatics, and poets are made of same stuff. Lunatics means insane persons.
Mad person.
Mad person. Okay, no mad. Take the bag. Yes, sir. Did you get the answer? Yes, this is the answer. Lovers and lunatics and poets are made of the same stuff that is said by the Bhagat Singh. Yes, read the second. Yeah.
Now, 2. Arise, awake, stop, not until your goal is achieved, by Thomas Alva Edison, and 2 is Isaac Newton, and 3 is Vivekananda, and 4 is M.K. Ganji. Yes.
Option 3, Swami Vivekananda.
Swami Vivekananda, sir.
Yes, anyone?
Sir, Thomas Alva Edison, sir.
Sir, it is correct, sir. Vivekananda.
Which one is the right answer?
3, option 3, Vivekananda is the right.
Vivekananda is the right answer because arise, awake, stop, not until your goal is achieved. That is the right answer. Next.
Very often
Yes.
used quotation of
Means 103. Yeah. Love your job, but do not love your company, because you may not know when your company stops loving you. 1 is Benjamin Franklin, and 2 is Abraham Lincoln, and 3 is APJ Abdul Kalam, and 4 is Sir Syed Ahmad Khan.
Sir, option 3.
Yes, it is APJ Abdul Kalam. And love your job, but don't love your company because you may not know when your company stops loving you. Yes, next. 104.
Some people come in your life as blessings. Some come in your life as a lesson.
Said by?
Said by Buddha. 1, Buddha, and 2 is Annakarna, and 4 is Vivekananda, and Sorry, 3 is Vivekananda, 4 is Mother Teresa.
Who said those
Vivekananda,
words?
sir. Vivekananda.
Second option,
Sir, Mother Teresa.
Mother Teresa. Some people come in your life as a blessing, and some come in your life as a lessons. Yes, next.
Now, 5. It is our duty to pay for your liberty with our own blood, said by Bhagat Singh. And 2 Chandrasekhar Azad, 3 is Subhash Chandra Bose, and 4 is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel.
Make an attempt.
Sir, option 3, Subhash Chandra Bose.
Subhash Chandra Bose.
Yes, you are right. It is our duty to pay for our liberty with our own blood, said by Subhash Chandra Bose. Yes, next.
6. I do not believe in taking decisions. I take decisions and make them right, said by Ratan Tata and Natarajan, and 3 is C.V. Raman, and 4 is Buddha.
Yes.
Option 1, Ratan Tata.
Option?
1.
Yes, it is right.
One.
Ratan Tata.
Option 1.
Is Ratan Tata. I don't believe in taking the right decisions. I take decisions and then make them right. That's the Ratan Tata. Yes, next 7th. 107.
7. Be educated, be organized, and be agitated, said by 1 Rabindranath Tagore, and 2 is Madan Mohan Malviya, and 3 is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, and 4 is Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan.
Option 4, Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan.
Sir, option 4,
Option?
sir. 4.
No. Second option. Be educated,
Option
be
three,
organized, and be agitated. Answer is
Sir, B.R. Ambedkar.
yes, that is B.R. Ambedkar. Next 109.
8. Do not limit a child to your own learning, for she was born in another time. 1 is Rabindranath Tagore, 2 is Madan Mohan Malviya, 3 is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, and 4 is Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan.
Yes, who said those words?
Sir, Rabindranath Tagore.
Option 2, Madan Mohan Malviya.
Is it?
Rabindranath Tagore, sir.
And this is said by Rabindranath Tagore. Yes, it's appreciable, right? Next.
9. India is being led till only the skeleton remains. India is being bled till only the skeleton remains. Said by 1 Subhash Chandra Bose, 2 is Bhagat Singh, 3 is Bal Gangadhar Tilak, and 4 is Rabindranath Tagore.
Bala Gangadhar Tilak, sir.
It is Balagangadhar Tilak. India is being bled till only the skeleton remains. Yes. Next is 100. Yes, please.
10. Manpower without unity is not a strength, said by M.K. Gandhi, and 2 is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, 3 is Subhash Chandra Bose, and 4 is Rabindranath Tagore.
Subhash Chandra Bose, madam.
Subhash Chandra Bose.
Is it? It is said
Sardar-
by Sardar Vallabhai
Sardar
Patel. It's the manpower without unity is not a strength. It is said by Vallabhai Patel. Next.
Maybe
Mhm.
Swaraj.
Mm.
Swaraj is my birthright, and I shall have it.
And I am sure this is a very easy thing.
Swaraj is my birthright, and I shall have
Option
it.
3, Bal Gangadhar Tilak.
Balagangadhar Tilak. Yes. Yeah, next 12.
12B. The future depends on what you do today. By APJ, 1 is APJ Abdul Kalam, and 2 is Vivekanandan, 3 is Vinoba Bhave, and 4 is M.K. Gandhi.
APJ
Sir.
Abdul Kalam.
MK Gandhi.
Yes, repeat.
MK Gandhi, sir.
MK
86,
Gandhi is the
sir.
right answer. Yes, now you can move. Or your turn is over. And be ready, the second host. And that is K. Sharad Babu. I'm setting out here, and so that it will be promptly will be seen. Yes. Yeah.
So
Now
good
the turn is yes. Now I'm keeping on the yes. This is about the Sharad Babu. Yes.
evening.
Please continue
Very
it.
time is left for the TS last. It only a few days, only 2 days are left. 2-3 days are left for TS last set, and I hope everyone is gearing up for the precious exam, which is going to settle your future choice as lawyers, advocates, etc., judges. So I shall start with the first question. A video went viral on the 75th Independence Day of India showing Muzaffar Wali hoisting the tricolor flag at a school in Tral, Jammu Kashmir. Who is Muzaffar Wali? So on 75th Independence Day, this happened, and a video went viral about Muzaffar Wani, who hoisted a tricolor flag at a school in Tral. So, who is he? Muzaffar Wani, the political party leader and grandfather of Burhan Wani. Second one, a government school principal and brother of Burhan Wani. Third one, a political party leader and brother of Burhan Wani. Fourth one is the father of slain Hizbul Mujahideen terrorist Burhan Wani.
Sir, option 2, sir. Government.
Option 4 is the right one. The father of slain Hizbul Mujahideen terrorist Burhan Wani. Of course, he is also principal of a school. This Muzaffar Wani also. A viral video online showed father of slain militant commander Burhan Wani unfurling the national flag at a school in Trial, Jammu and Kashmir on Independence Day. The killing of Burhan Wani fueled 5-month-long protests in 2016, which left some 100 people dead. The father of slain Hizbul Mujahideen terrorist Burhan Wani hoisted the tricolor flag at a school in Pulwama district of Jammu and Kashmir on the occasion of the country's 75th Independence Day on Sunday. Muzaffar Wani, a teacher by profession, unfurled the national flag on the premises of Government Girls Higher Secondary School in Trial, Pulwama, according to news reports. You can see Muzaffar Wani hoisting the flag at a school in Trial. Second question is, which is the capital of Haiti, which was worst hit with the recent earthquake? Of course, its president was also assassinated recently. Now it is in the news because of the earthquake. This Haiti's capital you have to name. Is it Port-au-Prince? Is it Cap Haitian? Is it Las Cages? Is it Port-au-Prince? What is your option? The capital of Haiti you have to choose. Is it Port-au-Prince? Is it Cap Haitian? Is it Las Cages? Is it Port-au-Prince?
Make an attempt, even though it is wrong.
Yes. Haiti's capital.
No, they are not in a position to
It
give
is
it.
Port-au-Prince. Option 1 is the correct one. It is Port-au-Prince. At least 724 people were killed in the 7.2 magnitude tremor of earthquake that struck Saturday about 160 kilometers to the west of the densely populated capital Port-au-Prince, which was devastated in massive earthquake in 2010. In 2010 also, its capital was devastated, and now it is again devastated, where casualty of 724 people was there. You can see in the picture the Haiti.
The yellow color one is the Haiti, and the red square is the Port-au-Prince, that is the capital, which is adjacent the coastal. That is the shown in the, yes, next.
Now, third question is liberalization under Prime Minister P.V. Narasimha Rao started in which year? Is it 1993? Is it 1991? Is it 1990? 1996, 1991, 1990? What's your choice? What's your option? Which answer do you choose? Liberalization, which is associated with Prime Minister P.V. Narasimha Rao and he then
Option 3, 1991.
What is your choice?
Third
Option
he
3,
said.
sir.
Yes, option 3 is the right answer. 1991. Then these reforms were heralded by both P.V. Narasimha Rao and his finance minister, Dr. Manmohan Singh. Economic liberalization in India was initiated in 1991 by Prime Minister P.V. Narasimha Rao and his then finance minister, Dr. Manmohan Singh. The 1991 Gulf War resulted in balance of payments crisis and liberalization of economy. India then attempted a range of reforms to liberalize the economy, but the country faced not just the economic turmoil, but other crises also. Now move to fourth question. Who is the youngest West Indies cricketer to take a 5-wicket haul in a test innings that happened recently with Pakistan? Jason Holder is the first choice. Jayden Seals is the second choice. Weston Chase is the third choice. Here's fourth choice. What is your option?
Western. Jason Holder.
Second one is the correct one. Second option is the correct answer. Jayden Seals is the correct answer. He is the youngest West Indies cricketer who has taken 5 wickets in a test innings against Pakistan. Jayden Seals became the youngest West Indies to take 5 wickets in a test innings against any cricket playing country, that is, here it is Pakistan. The fifth question is, you can see him in the picture also. Who is German footballer known as Der Bomber, who recently passed away? Der Bomber means the bomber. He has recently passed away and is a famous German football player. Is it Fritz Walter? Is it Ottmar Walter? Is it Gerd Müller? Is it Helmut Rahn? Fritz Walter is the first choice. Ottmar Walter is the second choice. Third option is Gerd Müller. Fourth option is Helmut Rahn. Which one do you choose? He is
Sir,
known
option
as
3,
yes,
Gerd Müller.
option 3 is the correct one. Gerd Müller. He is known as the bomber. Gerd Müller, the Bayern Munich and former West Germany forward known as Der Bomber, the bomber, for his scoring prowess, has passed away recently. He was 75 and was suffering from Alzheimer's disease, memory loss.
See, this is the young, when he was playing over there, the same person you could see after the 75 years here.
Now it is at old age. Gerd Müller. Now move to sixth question. Which is the highest and coldest battlefield in the world? Borodina, Russia? Is it El Alamein, Egypt? Is it Siachen Glacier, India? Is it Death Valley, USA? Which one do you choose? It is the highest battlefield as well as it is the coldest battlefield in the world. Is it Borodina, Russia? Is it El Alamein, Egypt? Is it Siachen Glacier, India? Is it Death Valley, USA?
Make an attempt. See,
Which
don't
option do
be
you
just
choose?
dumb.
1, 2, 3,
Even though
4.
it is wrong, doesn't matter. Yeah, you give the answers.
Third option is the right answer. It is Siachen Glacier, India. Recently, we had a battle with China also here, Siachen Glacier, and as well as Pakistan also. Ladakh Siachen Glacier. Siachen in Ladakh officially declared as a tourist spot, world's highest and oldest battlefield. The world's highest battlefield, Ladakh Siachen Glacier, can be your next holiday destination. It is a tourist center also. A team of people with disabilities embarked upon a journey to trek the Siachen Glacier on Independence Day. They will attempt a world record for the largest group of people with disabilities to scale the highest battlefield in the world. You can see this highest battlefield in the world. Now, seventh question. Where will the athletics under World Under 20 Championships be held from August 18, and the closing date is August 22nd, 2021. World Under 20 Championships. Athletics. Where will they be held? Is it Lagos? Is it Johannesburg? Is it Casablanca? Is it Nairobi? Which one do you choose? Under 20 World Athletic Championships.
Sir,
Where
option
will they
3.
be held? Which one?
Option 3, sir.
Yes, option 4 is the correct one. It is Nairobi, and it is Kenya's capital, Nairobi. Here is the full schedule involving the Indian athletes at the World Under 20 Athletics Championships taking place in Nairobi, Kenya. The Under 20 World Athletics Championships begins on August 18 in Nairobi, Kenya. The World Athletics Under 20 Championships, scheduled to start in Nairobi on Tuesday, have been postponed by a day and will start on August 18. However, there is no change in the closing date, that is August 22nd or 22nd of August. And now the eighth question. Brands such as Lifebuoy, you are familiar with Lifebuoy, I think, and you are also familiar with Kissan and Dove soap. Lifebuoy, Kissan, and Dove come under which consumer goods company brand in India? It belongs. They all belong to a consumer goods company, and that too in India. Is it Procter and Gamble? Is it Hindustan Unilever? Is it ITC or is it Nestle India? Company's name. What? You
Sir,
have
option
to
2,
choose.
Hindustan Liver.
Hindustan.
Yes, you are right. Option 2 is the correct answer. Hindustan Lever, a company such as Hindustan Unilever with brands like Dove, Lifebuoy, Kissan, etc., has excellent brand recall and is undoubtedly a fantastic business with zero debt. It has zero debt, no debt at all. And this is the logo of Hindustan Unilever Limited. Ninth question now. Which state launched a mobile museum on freedom struggle on the 75th Independence Day of India? It launched a mobile museum on freedom struggle. Is it Maharashtra? Is it West Bengal? Is it Gujarat? Or is it Tamil Nadu? Which state in India launched this mobile museum about freedom struggle? One state is famous for freedom struggle, you know.
Sir, option 2, West Bengal.
Yes, West Bengal, known for its number of freedom fighters, has launched a mobile museum on freedom struggle. Here you can see commemorating the 75th Independence Day. West Bengal's Transport Department on Sunday launched a mobile museum on the freedom struggle in the partition of Bengal by turning two trams. You know, in Calcutta, trams are there, and they have turned these two trams, converted these two trams into mobile museums, and that too into galleries. And next, 10th question is, what is the significance of balometric method, which uses ball bearings from the rear wheel of a bicycle? Is it used to separate fine and coarse leaves, used to measure strength of bicycle tires, used to measure change in climatic conditions, used to polish expensive metals. Ball bearings from the rear wheel of a bicycle. సైకిల్ యొక్క వెనక చక్రం యొక్క బాల్ బేరింగ్స్ ని యూజ్ చేసేది బాల్లోమెట్రిక్ మెథడ్. ఇన్ విచ్ ఈజ్ ఇట్ యూజ్డ్ టు సెపరేట్ ఫైన్ అండ్ కోర్స్ లీవ్స్, యూజ్డ్ టు మెజర్ స్ట్రెంగ్త్ ఆఫ్ బైసికల్ టైర్స్, యూజ్డ్ టు మెజర్ చేంజ్ ఇన్ క్లైమాటిక్ కండిషన్స్, యూజ్డ్ టు పాలిష్ ఎక్స్పెన్సివ్ మెటల్స్. వాట్స్ యువర్ చాయిస్? వాట్స్ యువర్ ఆప్షన్?
Make a trial,
also-
even though it is wrong.
Sir, option 2, sir.
Try to choose 1, 2, 3, 4 among.
2,
Sir,
sir.
option 4, sir, use it to polish.
I appreciate your answer, but though it is wrong, you have given the answer. That is a big encouragement for us. Use it to separate fine and coarse leaves of tea. The 10-year-old Choklai Tea Research Institute in Eastern Assam's Jorhat and in the 1950s developed this balometric method for separation of fine tea leaves, to separate fine tea leaves from the coarse, that is rough ones, to ensure quality. While many of Assam's 803 major tea estates have been following this method, the unorganized sector has largely avoided it. Balometric as an alternative in the tea growing belts of Assam. Piezometric involving, there is another alternative method for this balometric method, that is piezometric, that involves 100 coins, each weighing 1 gram. That's all.
Yeah, this is the round about the today's
Today's
Kalikonda
general
Sharad
paper.
Babu's turn. And let me make it a point when you say the Hindustan livers. And I don't know whether you remember or not. Sunlight. What is sunlight?
It is a soap to wash clothes.
It is a soap, and the Hindustan livers products we have so many in India, and I think 40 to 44 brands they do have it. Because I checked it when I was doing the things, and how many brands Hindustan livers is having. So I found, see, AXE, Boost, CIF. Is it visible to you? Is it visible to you?
Visible?
Say yes. Say yes.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Very good. Comfort and Cornetto. And Cornetto, you know, this Cornetto is a ice cream. We don't know, sir. Dove is a soap. And I don't know what is Hellman's. Horlicks, we know it. And Horlicks Growth, we know it. Light Horlicks, we know it. Horlicks Mother Plus, Horlicks Proteins. And Women's Plus, Junior Horlicks. What is KNO double Arknor? Yes, anyone? Anyone?
Soup, sir.
It is a soup of different taste of tomato is there, and a Lifebuoy soap. Yes, my father used to use it. Lipton tea and a Love Beauty, Lux and Magnum. These are the products, and even a Pepsodent, Pond's, Rexona, Sunsilk, and Tresemme, Vaseline, Wheel One, and a Breeze, Brew, Citra, Clear, Close Up, Domex, Fair and Lovely, Glow and Lovely, Lakme, Pierce, Pure, Rin, Surf, Excel, and TIGE. This is also a product, they will make it out. And Tony Guy, Vim, Annapurna, Three Roses. Why I am giving this thing is, if any type of the thing also will come over there, and you should not keep the zero face. And moreover, this is these are all the products which is manufactured by the, even a Liril, once upon a time very famous, the Kisan Jam, and Ayush, Liver Ayush, Lavand Care, and Pure Dream, Rexona soap also there. And the last with the Sunlight, I told you, no, the Sunlight is the washing, and we wash. These are the things which are the Hindustan livers producing it. Yes, it is now the my turn of mental ability, And be ready, mental ability compatible. Yes, it is here. Good. Yeah, we are start because this thing we have covered Mesopotamia and OEA, this covered it. Now let us see that as the old names countries from your part A places the with the countries with a new name part B across the globe or the world. Yes, sir. The Leopoldville, Gold Coast, Formosa, Congo, in the right, Ghana, Kinshasa, Zaire, Taiwan. So, which is the right? Combine it. A, that is the one. IB2A 3C 4D. 2. IB2D 3A 4C. 3. IB2A 3D 4C. 4. IC2A 3D 4B. Which one is the right one? Try to take one first. Sir, we don't know, sir. Make a trial. Even though wrong, doesn't matter.
Option 3, sir.
Option 3 is the right answer. I appreciate. Leopoldville is a Kinshasa, now Democratic Republic of Congo, and is a French colony, and the people will speak French. It is very near to the Rwanda, and Rwanda capital is Kigali. Because I have been there, I was an external examiner over there in the Rwanda, in the one of the university, and a Gold Coast, Ghana. Ghana is very famous for what? Diamonds. Formosa, Taiwan, and Congo, Zaire. We'll say these are the things which are the new names over there. And match the old names countries part A of the places with countries with the new name of the part B across the globe. Yes, Abyssinia and Basutoland, Ceylon, Formosa. I think this is very easy. Now you can easily give the answer because Ceylon is there and Abyssinia is there. Means only two you can compare it, other two automatically it will come out. Ceylon is Sri Lanka, okay. Means 3B, okay.
Option 4, sir.
Yes, it is. Fourth is the right answer. Abyssinia, Ethiopia. And Bostoland, Lesotho. Ceylon, Sri Lanka. Formosa, Taiwan. And please note the point. Once upon a time, Eritrea is the part of the Ethiopia. But now it became a separate nation, and UNO also recognized it that the Eritrea, the upper part of the Ethiopia is Eritrea. And where the Tigrania is the main language, and the Tigray people are there more. And the second language is Arabic, because there have the many Arabic merchants over there, those who are businessmen. Yes. On the top of the keyboard, on which key or on which alphabet number the bumps are there. I don't know whether you know the bumps, one protruded part of it called bumps. The key F, the key J, the both 1 and 2, or the key H. Sir, we have to check our typewriter or laptop, you know it, where it is, bumps are there or bars are there on the keyboard. And because I do have the laptop here, I can see there is a bar is there and the two letters. What are the two letters? Even the people, those who are typing, they could know it. Because when you are typing with the all fingers over there, then you can keep the from the downwards last but one hand. But we can say A is a little finger and S is the ring finger and D is the middle finger and F is the forefinger. And here when you come to the right hand side, again the semicolon L, K, J. And then the bars are on the, yes, both 1 and 2, is it? It is the bars are both on the F letter and the J letter. Yeah, some ridges are there, the homing bars are there, and the F letter and J letter on the keyboard, when you happen to see is over there. Even if you go to the ATM machine, there is a protruded knobs are there for the blind people, those who could see, which is number 5, which is number 2, which is number 3. Okay, the tips for the numbers are there. 5 is there in the center. Number 5 on the keyboard with the numeric keypad, and also the bump to help the position your hand on the keypad. The another question, which is very similar to that question, our last Sharad Babu has made it. Ball bearings are used in bicycle, cars, etc. because, number 1, the actual area of the contact between the wheel and axle is increased. Number 2, the effective area of the contact between the wheel and the axle is increased. Number 3, the effective area of the contact between the wheel and the axle is reduced. Number 4, none of the above statement is correct. Why do you use the ball bearings in the car or bicycle? Answer is, the effective area of the contact between the wheel and the axle is reduced. That means 3 is the right answer. Do you agree with me? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Because they want to reduce the things, the friction, that is the effect. The effective area of the contact between the wheel and the axle is reduced over there. And how many spokes are there in our national flag for the Ashoka Chakra? Sir,
Sir,
we can
24,
count it,
sir.
sir.
24, sir.
It are 20. What are their color?
Blue, sir.
Navy blue.
Navy blue.
Yeah, if I not be mistaken. What is the background?
White.
White background. It is very obvious for there. What is that? Because we also discussed what is the ratio of the length and breadth? 2:3, 3:2, 1:4, 4:1. Or Kolkanda, Sharad Babu has revealed already.
3 length to width is 3
2
to
3.
Length to width
Yeah.
3 to 2.
Yeah,
Width
length
to
to
length
is
2:3.
yeah, that is 2:3. When you say the length and width, you can count. Means width is less and length is more. Is it not? Is it?
Yes.
Because if you see the rectangle,
Yes.
that the same thing would be there. But a square doesn't have it, because square in all angles are
Same.
how many degrees?
90 degrees.
90 degrees should be there. Then what is obtuse angle?
I think that is 45.
Yes, less than 90, it is said to be a 45 diagonal. We can say the obtuse angle. That is the point. But anyway, that is going to be end up with now. Do you want to ask anything? You can ask it. Meanwhile, it will be stopped over there because already time is up near, and at any time it can be stopped over. And people, you will try to participate is nothing but a mock trial. The mock, what I say, the test also we can make it out before the host finishes the 4 option. You should be in a position to give the right answer, right option for the multiple choice 4. So that the spirit one should have to develop it. It's you can check your memory and you can gauge your